In this video, I'll show you how to save favorite recipients on Wise. Step 1. Log into Wise. Open the Wise Apple website and sign in with your account's credentials. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Navigate to Recipients or Contacts. Find and select the Recipients or Contacts tab from the dashboard or menu. Step 3. Add a new recipient. Click Add a recipient and select the currency of the recipient's bank account. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Fill in the recipient's full name, bank details, and email or Wise tag. This is optional. Step 5. Save and confirm. Review the information and click Confirm to save the recipient. Step 6. Use saved recipients for transfers. When sending money the next time, select your saved recipients to skip re-entering their details. Now I have some tips for recipient management. You can add nicknames to recipients for easy identification. You can delete outdated recipients to keep the list clean. And it's important to always double check recipient details before transfers so you don't send the money to the wrong person. Now that's how you save your recipients. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you out. Have a nice day.